Hamstech presents its first ever live digital edu-fair, the Creative Carnival. An exclusive showcase of the work submitted by you and thousands of other aspiring creative professionals. Just follow the guidelines and upload your submission to participate. And get featured on the day of this amazing event. Win exciting prizes and awards from the jury, faculty, and online voters. Participate to display your creativity or attend to meet our alumni. And placement partners. Get masterclasses from our expert faculty. And also hear from our celebrity mentors. So why wait? Sign up today to participate and join us at the Creative Carnival.